G'day traders. A trade idea that has been looking at is called LBH, Liberty Health. I'm going to enter here 100 shares. The entry level is at 111 Rand. It's currently trading here at 113, so I hope it can come lower and then bounce on this 111 Rand. Take profit is 117.33 and the stop loss is 109.86. This is going to be a long trade. If I go for 100 shares, the risk I'm carrying is 239 with cost. My reward is 502 Rand, and 239 goes from 502 1 to 2 ratio. So let's go and look at the lowest quantity I can get before this 1 to 2 will change. So 80 is there, 70 is there, 60 is there, 50 is there, even 40. Let's see what 40 up. There, so your lowest level might be 50 units of quantity if you want to look at a risk of 119 Rand but profitability of 251. Looking at the share itself on a 4-hour chart, you will see on the MACD we might get a bit of a bias in here, and you will see this low is here, and we're expecting this low to come from this levels higher to almost the 117 levels here. So there might be expectation of a breakup on this specific trade.